Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from your Samsung Galaxy A25 Android mobile phone. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go your Play Store. Just tap on your Google Play Store. Okay, when you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the top right of the screen you can see a logo or a DP of your Google account. Okay, just simply tap on your DP or on your Google account DP or logo. Okay, when you click on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the right top right of the screen you can see a type of arrow just like that. Just simple tap on this arrow. Okay, when you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of add another account. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts which is logged in your Android mobile phone. Okay, select anyone of your Gmail account which want you to remove, okay, from your Android mobile phone. Okay, so in my case I select the second Gmail account, so just tap on it. Okay, when I tap on it you can see a new interface or a new window just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of remove account. Just simply tap on remove account. Okay, when I tap on remove account you can see a new pop-up window just like that. Here just simply tap on OK button. Okay, when you tap on it you the Gmail account is removed. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit the like button. Thank you.